Here's your weather briefing for Sunday, February the 10th, 2013, and we're looking at a cloudy, windy day across the Omaha area. The skyline picture here shows some of the thick, low cloud cover that's overhead and will continue to be so throughout the day as we see some more showers rolling back in through the midday period. And then some colder air coming in from the northwest will drop readings enough to mix in some snow showers perhaps through the late afternoon, early evening. We're not looking for any accumulation though, and the precipitation comes to an end throughout the late evening hours. Taking a look at the radar right now, kind of interesting because the precipitation is moving primarily from south to north and is north of the area for the most part. Look out to the west a little bit though, and you can start to see some westerly movement of the precipitation north of Grand Island, and that gradual west to east movement will start to take place, and that's when we'll start to see some showers in here during the afternoon. We're going to go just a little bit further to the west and look at the radar there. This is out of North Platte, and a very different picture here where we see precipitation wrapping in from north to south, and again picking up that northwest to southeast movement component as it's west of the Grand Island area. So you can see the rotation in the weather system as it continues to move northeastward. And this precipitation, this mostly rain, but on the back end of it, some snow showers, will begin to affect us through the afternoon. A pretty comfortable day for us temperature-wise, well up into the 40s expected, and you can see just to the southeast a little bit where the southwest winds are pulling up the warmer air, lower 60s getting into the St. Louis area. Meanwhile, back off to the northwest where the cold air is rotating in on the other side of the storm system, it's the 20s across the Dakotas, and we're going to see that change towards some colder weather over time, although for the next few days it'll be fairly moderate and temperatures pretty seasonal, right around 40 degrees or so. Just a little bit of a look ahead at the colder temperatures we are expecting. This map takes us out to Thursday night, and while temperatures will be 40 degrees, give or take a little bit during the daytime, with nighttime lows around 25 to 30, this projection for Thursday night takes us down into the teens and even the single digits, not very far to the north. It's going to be a quick shot of cold air, but that'll be for later in the week and before we get to Friday. There's really no significant snow in our forecast anytime over the next week, week and a half or so, but I don't think winter's quite over yet. This is an interesting map that takes us out well beyond next week into the time period in and around the 24th and 25th. These are computer model projections, and they're obviously quite a long ways out, so there's plenty of room for change in here. But this is the next system that would appear that could affect us with any kind of significant rain-snow activity, and that would develop for us around the 25th and into the 26th. We watch a couple of these frames as it advances, and some very heavy precipitation as close to us as eastern Kansas, and that's again already 2 weeks out, so there's plenty of room for that to drift one way or another, but all indications are late in the month we're going to see a very significant storm once again, and there could be some effects here. So recapping the day, we are in a day of transition weather-wise from mild temperatures to colder, from rain to scattered snow showers, and from cloud cover to a gradual clearing trend that gives us sunshine tomorrow. The most consistent factor is going to be the winds. They'll be gusty through the afternoon, evening, and even on into the early parts of tomorrow before they start to taper off. We're into dry weather for Tuesday, Wednesday, and early Thursday, with temperatures hovering in the low 40s. That's your weather briefing for Sunday, February the 10th, 2013. Thanks for checking in, and have a great day.